National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 10 p.m. At 8 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, 7 nautical miles northwest of North Beach, moving east to 20 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Eastern Bay. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The Marine